Want to display both primary and secondary signatures on your credit notes in Sleek Bill? In this video, we'll show you how to enable and display multiple signatures in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Open your browser and visit www.sleekbill.in. Click on the login button available at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your registered email ID and password, then click on Sign In. After successful login, you'll reach the dashboard. From the left side menu, click on Preferences. Inside Preferences, go to Documents and then select Credit Note. Here you'll find several customization options related to credit notes. Enable the Show Primary Signature option. Next, enable the Show Secondary Signature option. Once both signature options are enabled, click on the Save button to apply the changes. You will see both the primary and secondary signatures displayed on the document. That's it.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with others in need. For more videos like this, click the bell icon and subscribe.